Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool minimal right here, and basically what this is a blade brush. So you use it to like clean off like your knives, your blades, your utensils or whatever. But the way how to design the product makes it a lot easier for you guys to clean off like your knives or your utensils or whatever, which is pretty awesome. But eventually this is from the brand called Joseph & Joseph, and this is basically what the product looks like in the front, and here's what it looks like in the back right here. But you guys basically want to put like utensils or your knives or blades inside right here to actually clean it. And the way how to design the top part and the bottom part right here, it definitely give you guys a good grip to actually hold like this to clean your brush like this if you guys need to, which is pretty awesome. And I'll show you guys how to use it in a second. Let me actually take it out and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So definitely have that like teeth looking design right here, but this is basically what looks like on top. Here's what it looks like on the bottom, and then here's what it looks like on the side. So they definitely have the logo right there. But basically all you're gonna do is just put your utensil, your knife or whatever inside right here and just start brushing it. But this is basically what the product looks like right here, if you guys can see. Definitely has a very cool color right here and makes it a lot easier and safer for you guys to clean your knives. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. Let me actually go set it up and show you guys how to use it, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the little blade brush or the cleaning brush right here. So let me show you guys how to use it. So let's say for example, if I want to clean this Santoku knife that we have right here, you guys can go like this. If you can see, it's so easy to use it and so safe compared to using one of these sponges that we have right here. And like I mentioned, you can definitely use this for like utensils as well. So let me show you guys what I mean. So let's say for example, if I want to use it for like this fork right here, just go like this. Just push it in and just start scrubbing it. If you can see. So that works as well. So whether you want to use it for your spoons, your forks, your knives or whatever, it definitely works really well and so much safer than using a regular sponge. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. Definitely using this product makes your life so much easier and safer as well when it comes to like cleaning like your knives or your blades or whatever. Because when you guys use a regular sponge, it's not safe. But when you guys get one of these to use, it definitely is much more safer. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to make your life a lot easier in terms of like cleaning stuff, especially like blades or knife, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.